In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. This technique is incredibly useful for creating dynamic flow in your video, emphasizing action or slowing down specific moments for dramatic effect. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step, so it's easy for you to follow along and implement in your own projects. First, you'll want to open up DaVinci Resolve. Once you're in, head over to the media pool to organize and prepare your video files. It's always a good idea to ensure all your materials are neatly arranged. This makes your editing process much smoother. After getting your files ready, click on Edit to switch to Edit mode. This is where all the magic happens, and we'll get started on setting up your speed ramp effect. Next, drag the video you want to work on into the timeline. This action essentially lays the foundation for your subsequent edits by allowing you to work directly on the footage. Once your video is in the timeline, you're ready to start making tweaks. The timeline is your canvas, where you can visualize and adjust the flow and pacing of your project. Now, this is one of the essential parts for applying speed ramp effects. Right-click on your video clip within the timeline, and from the resulting menu, click on Retime Controls. This feature gives you the flexibility to adjust the speed properties of your selected clip. You'll notice a retime bar appearing above your clip that allows you to modify how fast or slow your video plays. Your next move is to click on the new drop-down menu that appears below the video clip. From there, you'll want to add speed points. These points are crucial because they enable you to isolate specific parts of the clip where you want to manipulate the speed. By setting these points, you can tell DaVinci Resolve exactly where to accelerate or decelerate your footage. After setting your speed points, click on the drop-down menu once more, but this time, select the Speed option. This functionality allows you to modify the actual speed at the designated points. You can either speed up or slow down your video, depending on the effect you want to create. Use the visual cues on the timeline to ensure your transition appears smooth and visually appealing. Finally, it's important to preview your work to see how the changes play out in real time. Hit play and watch your video through. Check if the speed ramps create the effect you envisaged. Sometimes you might need to make slight adjustments to the speed points or the values to get the perfect result. Don't hesitate to tweak things until everything feels just right. And that's how you create a speed ramp effect in DaVinci Resolve. With practice, this technique becomes a powerful tool in your editing arsenal, allowing you to elevate your videos to a professional level. Happy editing!